Did a ride in the track, guys. Just a ride in the track.
This one, do you like?
Yeah, some.
House.
Yeah.
5,000 only.
Oh, this one?
Oh, yeah. 5,000.
Which one? Show me.
5,000.
Which one?
Here.
So this house.
Yeah.
Let's look. Let's look.
Only 5,000.
Don't pull me in the water. Come on.
Problem.
Ah, here. Yeah. 5,000 a month.
Yeah.
On time.
3 bedroom.
How much for down payment?
I will tell.
You gonna ask?
Can I ask?
Yeah, ask him. How much for down payment?
I can ask to my cousin.
Yeah, ask them. They sell it. How much is the whole price?
Tomorrow I will tell to you.
Okay.
The messenger.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, you find out. So you're gonna look at that house, see how much find out it is.
Video.
Video. Video. Hello. All right. The doggy. Hey, doggy.
Eating the outside the house.
Eating the bone. Or he's eating another dog, you say? He's eating the other dog? Hmm? Is he eating the other dog?
Yeah.
So guys, there we are in the trike ride. We ride around the block down here in the suburbs just to see how it is. Kind of floody because we've been having some rain. Flooding here and there. Look in there, flooding real bad in there. Look, flooding. Some houses are in the flood zone. Really, some houses on the flood zone.
Hello, my friend.
Vlogging! I'm vlogging. How are you?
I'm fine.
We just ride around vlogging.
There's another guy.
Hi.
My cousin.
How are you? Hello. YouTube. Vlogging. Vlogging from the trike. Thank you. Salamat.
Assalamualaikum.
Ah.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
This is my friend.
Hello. You like YouTube vlog?
No, may ikiti pare. Oh, mag-vlog ya ano.
Vlog YouTube.
Vlogging?
Yeah. For trike ride. Trike ride vlogging. How are you? Kumusta?
Okay na.
Okay na?
Saya paring at dandalan. Oo. Pasyal ba yung kanda pa pare? Hindi, bagyan mo. Bukas ka no, sa siya naman ka no. Oo, baka ito malakit siyang ka eh.
Yeah, I'm an American. I understand you sometimes, you know. How are you? Kumusta? Eh? Good day?
This one the guy, policeman.
Yeah. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. Thank you. Kumusta?
Ano pa yan kali nun?
Salamat.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
Alam po sir kaya pare.
Okay, more. There's another doggy. Roof. Okay, I know where I'm at now. I know this place.
There one, 5,000.
Do what?
Yeah, apartment.
This one?
Yeah, 5,000.
Oh no, I ran out of time.
5,000 only every 2 bedroom up and down.
Yeah. Hello.
This is my friend.
Kumusta? How are you? Great. You like a YouTube? YouTube vlog. You on the YouTube?
You can write the video. The video kami, video.
We're doing a night video for vlogging for YouTube.
Vlogging.
Ah, the doggy. I like doggy. I like dogs. I like dogs. It's pretty.
Ano lang, road test lang, road test.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Oo, hello.
Doggy.
How are you? Kamusta?
Kamusta? Ay, yun lang. Saan pa natin resan? Sa inyo?
Kalinan. Where the from? Where you
Where are
from?
you from?
USA.
No, here in Philippines.
Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia.
Santa Ana.
Yes, Santa Ana. So I live here. But I haven't been down every street.
Pasyal ko.
This is new.
Saman Street.
Yeah. I haven't been down the street yet.
Puro uno.
No, Porak 1?
1.
Porak 1.
Samsaman Street.
I live in Porak 2.
Puro 2.
Yeah.
Cemetery.
The past.
Lagpas.
Yeah, your place for
Yeah,
press.
baby. How are you,
Press.
doggy?
My friend, your place for press.
Porak 3, behind the Alpha Mart.
Alpha Mart.
Yeah.
Alpha
For
Mart.
free.
Porak 3, yeah. Hello,
Can I
vlogging.
say hi? Hi.
Ano lang yan?
Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Kamusta?
Nag-ano lang siya.
Nagbablog.
Just a little. Oh. Wow. Ditto. You okay? How late are you open till? How late? What time?
Ano yan sa USA?
What time? What time? 11. Okay. So I know. I could come late.
24 hours ang
Okay.
24
I just
hours
just
open?
just
Your
knock.
store?
Just knock. Okay. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Let's move.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. It's about too dark to. It's almost too dark to film down through here, but at least there's some lights on the houses.
No light.
Just a little. Now it's dark, 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 dark. Okay, guys, we almost done with our little tour of the Santa Lucia, the back roads of Porak 1 and Porak 2. And pretty nice little place back in here. Nice people, very friendly, always nice to me. You just have to talk to people, and they'll be nice to you if you're nice to them, right? He said, yeah. I said, wow. Lucia Pampanga. He said, wow. He said, whopping.
Do you like the house?
Huh?
Do you like the house?
Yeah,
You rent another, can I see?
maybe.
Can I ask my cousin how much down payment?
Yeah, ask that, but I don't know that I'm going to buy anything right now. But you can ask. Don't hurt to ask. Right?
Yeah.
Don't hurt to ask. But I might not be doing nothing till the first of the year. You know?
Yeah.
Might be till the first of the year. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this vlog right here because we're back here at the RCS on the main road. Ain't nothing else to say about it. But you guys make sure you like and subscribe and make a comment on my channel. And my buddy here, he'll take us riding anytime you guys want to. And we'll talk to you next time, eh? All right, bye-bye.